I'm gonna record this secret 6. So I want to create a query, or I want to create a form. I have to close. If it's a table, I have to close it. Save it and then close it. Right click, save, right click, close, or you can close from here. You can close from here. So there is many ways to close. Make sure that you close everything. Close everything before you create a form, or to create a wizard, or to create a report. I want to create a report for the student grade. This it's empty. No, I don't want to create empty report. So I want to create a report for this football. I click on it and then I go create tab. Everything in create tab equals 6. So let me just color it for you so you may pay attention. Create tab, and you can create a table from here. You can create a query, you can create a form, and today we are about to create a report. But I think someone asked me, Muhammad asked me, how to create a wizard. This is a query wizard. I will do it quick, yeah, Muhammad, for you. Query wizard. This is what we do yesterday. Click on query wizard, but before you click on the query wizard, you have to activate your table. Which table you want to create wizard for it? I click on it. Wait, I will check the message. Grade 6. Wait, I will check it. Just give me a time. Query wizard, and then click OK. He asks you which kind of wizard you want to do, and then click OK. And then which kind of field you want to add. You can add everything by clicking on those two arrows, two right arrows, and you add everything. To back, they're gonna be back. You can add them one by one. You're gonna select some part. So make sure this is the table name. Make sure this table is activated because you have got like other table. And then go next, and then go next. And then he asks you open the query to view information, and then click finish. Make sure that he saves the name. I want to name it query number 2 because it's not number 2. And then I click finish. Now I got a query wizard. As you can see, it's listed. This is the table, this is the query, and this is the form. Also, we did the form last year. So I just show you how to do it. Too many messages. Ali, send the file. Pic 71. The file pic 71 يا محمد. pic 71 يا محمد ياسر. محمد علاء الدين. I found the file. Let me. I will. Wait, يا محمد. I just stopped the share. I am recording. والله. I will let you share إن شاء الله. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, grade 6, that was the query wizard. Now I want you to go, let me erase this, create and then report. Create report, quickly grade 6. Close your table first, close everything. Before you create a wizard, create a table. Before you create anything in grade 6, you have to make sure that you close it. You have to make sure that you close it. Close everything. Click on create tab. You can take a screenshot for this grade 6. I want to close it. Now I want to create a report. I want to report my football. That was, by the way, homework pic 71. It's here in grade 6. Wallahi, we do it last year. This one in grade 6. We go to make a table. We add the field. And then we add the information. We add the data grade 6. That was pic 71, wallahi. Open your ICT book pic 71. Really, Muhammad? Quickly, you can catch us. Lena. Okay, wait, Yelena, we'll check it. I will let you share, Yelena, don't worry about that. Now let's create a report. Just make sure that you click on the table or the thing that you want to create a report for. And by the way, report is used a lot, like reporting the student grades. So I just click report, and then I got like ID, game number, number of players, ball size. I got a lot. The report is huge. Report is so huge. I want to add something extra. As you can see, grade 6, I got a new design view, arrange, format, setup. I didn't do it in grade 6. It's done automatically. As you can see, when I click create a report, I got those options. Can you see them in grade 6? If I close my report, they're gonna disappear. If I close it, right click, close it. He asked me, you want to save it? I have to save it, yes. I want to name it report. By the way, while you are naming a file, you have to make underscore. Do not make spaces in the file name. It got like inbuilt. Let me just name it homework, no problem. It didn't accept that name, but I got a report. As you can see over here, I got a new report over here. I got a form, I got queries, and I got 2 tables. Everything in the left side of the screen equals 6. Everything start also with create tab. Create tab. Okay. So let me open my report. I don't want to make too much errors. Double click on my report, but I think my report need to be adjusted. The files, the distances of the cells is too big equals 6. Distance of the field. But before I do it equals 6, I have to make sure that I'm in report view. This is already report view. This is what is going to be shared. If I decided to print it, it's going to be look like this equals 6. Okay. If I want to design it, of course, I have to go to design view. As you can see, now I'm in design view. I have the game name. I can change the field name from here if I decided to. This is the file size, number of layers. Everything could be edited. Font color, everything could be edited, and I can adjust the width of the cells so you can see much better equals 6. So this is my report. Okay. I can label a new thing, like I want to label something extra. I want like to label a name, a new name. I want to label a name. So I click on this capital A, small a. Label. I have to choose the location of my label. I want to label it over here. Label example. I want to add a new label. This is going to be show label example. I just click it, I label it. I can switch, go back, report view, and I can see my label example somewhere. It's over here. So I just label this. How I do it, Miss Hiba? I go to design view. I go to design view. I switch to my design view. When I switch to my design view, I got the control bottom Sigrid 6. Okay. Sorry, I missed many messages. Okay. Abdullah. Empty report. No, I have to have like a database. Yeah, yeah. Oh, mashallah. I will let you share. Ali, how to save? It's already saved automatically. Right click save. Yes, you can do right click save. Yeah. Yeah, Ali. Yeah, mashallah. I will let you share. Right click over here in the table, query, form, everything. Right click, save. Right click, close. Okay. Or you can do save from here also, by the way, but this is like the quickest way to do it. Now I wanted to share grid 6. Wait. Sharing is caring. Wait. I will let you share. Show me your work grid 6. Did the report, Abdullah. I'm working. Oh, device, bravo. Yes, now you can share. Grid 6 sharing is enabled now. Okay, Mahmoud Al-Sadiq. Good job. Label something, Ahmed Al-Sadiq. Show me you do label. Label something. Add something. Write something. Yes, probably. I think he did it. He labeled something. Ali. Good job, ya Ali. Label something. Name it. Label something and then name it. Label something, ya Abdullah. Abdullah Mu'tamar. Bravo, ya Abdullah. Smart boy. Muhammad Alauddin. Good job, ya Muhammad. How switch to design view, ya Muhammad Alauddin? Go to design view and then do something. Muhammad Al-Sadiq. Muhammad Alauddin. Why are not sharing? Abdullah. Muhammad Abdul Muttalib. Bashir, ya Bashir, where are you? I'm gonna stop recording. That's gonna be a long video.